you will have to use GitHub to deploy React app on Cloudflare. This is the app I will deploy. First, create a Cloudflare account, if not already created. Enter an email, and set a new password. After the account creation, you will be logged in. Before we can deploy, we will have to verify our email. Check your email, and click on Verify Email link. After email verification is completed, go to Pages option from the left sidebar. Now, connect your GitHub or GitLab account. You will have to log into your GitHub account. After that, select the repository that you want to deploy and hit Begin Setup. You can leave the project name as it is. After that, select the branch to deploy. Now, select the Create React App on Framework preset. Leave the build command as it is. Now, on build output directory, enter dist. If you have any env variables, you can add them here. After that, click Save and Deploy. It will take some minutes, maybe longer if your app is big. And the app is deployed. Now, click on Continue to Project. You can view the deployed app from this link. And that's it.